Hey, it's Joe up here at iList. Thanks for jumping on this quick overview of what iList Tech is. What I want to do is show you how agents are using options and automation to grow and scale their listing business. So we're going to focus on our two most powerful features that we offer agents directly on your own personal website. Let's start with options. Options are crucial in this market. Why? Because sellers expect option and there's a lot of competition out there, right? So how are we as agents going to use options to grow our business? We allow you to create custom selling options such as traditional, cash offer, bidding, and even a free listing option. When you offer options to sellers, your engagement is going to skyrocket. But it's not just about offering options, it's how you offer options. We are known for our automation here at iList. We combine options with automation to create an interactive experience for sellers. So as a seller picks an option that you created, the seller begins to build out a dashboard. The seller is the one that's giving you all the data and details information on their property. And as they do that, a brand new property shows up on your agent dashboard. That is how we combine options and automation so you can grow and scale your listing business. Now, one of the best parts about this is we actually take this options and automation and we put it directly on your own personal website. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, we're going to start with a basic real estate website. We've all seen this site before, and let's look at it from a seller perspective. If I'm a seller and I come to this site, there's very little that I can actually do. Buyers can do everything, right? I mean, they can search properties, favorite properties, probably even request showings. But as a seller, what can you do? The only thing I see that speaks to a seller is this little section up here. So I'm going to click it and I'm going to type in a quick address and it gives me a basic report, right? Shows me one data source, shows me a map, but I cannot do anything as a seller. This is a bounce point. Most real estate websites, I would even venture to say your website, probably has a lot of bounce points when it comes to sellers. Whether that's a thank you page or a dead end like we just saw, that is a bounce point. We want to eliminate those. So let me show you a website now that has iList options and automation built into it. First and foremost, we add a buy and a sell button on the hero image of your website. This is very, very important because it completely transforms the look and feel of your site. If I click buy, notice it opens up your existing buying functionality. This is really, really awesome because your buying functionality is awesome. But let's talk about selling. If I click selling, notice we open up a address bar. Let's type in that exact same address real quick here. And let's look at the seller experience. Right off the bat, it's going to give me exactly what I'm looking for as a seller. It gives me my address and data on my property. Not just data on my property, we show them where the data is coming from. We have 5 APIs that power your platform, which make it very, very powerful. Now sellers can come in here and begin to interact and adjust the value of their property. This is crucial because what if they don't agree with this range here of their neighborhood, right? They can come in here and take control of it. All of these interactive tools prevent them from bouncing and it engages them. So once I set my price as a seller, I can click explore. These are your selling options that you created. So as I pick one of these selling options, it'll allow me to create a dashboard in which I, as a seller, can move forward freely, creating my dashboard and giving you details and data on my property. That is how we use options and automation to grow and scale your business directly on your own personal website. Now, as sellers create dashboards and build their properties out, like I mentioned, properties automatically show up on your side, right? So you have a back-end agent dashboard, which manages every listing, every status, every seller, every offer, and every document on every listing you have. Your agent dashboard will completely change how you manage your listing business, and it's all driven by options and automation directly on your website. So if you want to see more about our offer portal, offer tools, cash offer, hey, grab a demo, let's talk. Or if you want to go ahead and start your free trial, start it below. Our team will reach out and we'll do a one-on-one with you directly on your website. We'll talk to you soon. 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
Awesome.